Hi guys. So sorry I'm out so much lately. It's just so hard. So Porter's exposed. So now he's quarantined through Thursday. So I will be back in the building on Friday for sure. Um, but I am welcome to come at any time. It's just hard for my husband to get off work. So if you are starting the lesson today, we are going to be doing a web quest. So I'm going to talk you through each side and I'm going to show you how to make sure the website works for you. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Miss you guys. First slide says bell work. So you're going to have a different screen that looks different than mine because it's going to be a Pear Deck response page. So you'll have a thing over here where you can type some answers in. It says read the poem. What does the poem say is the reason for the change in seasons? Do you agree or disagree and why? So I'm going to read this to you. Some Rhymes for All Seasons by LB. The seasons come and then they go. Do you know what makes it so? Can you explain the reasons why the seasons come and then pass by? The seasons come and then they wilt. It has to do with the Earth's tilt, the angle of the sun's bright light, the sun and Earth's connected flight. So answer these two questions and then you can move on to the next slide. So just so you know, tomorrow's hybrid, let me move this up here. Tomorrow's hybrid will be fill out the Google form that's in Google Classroom and then watch the Seasons Ed Puzzle. It will be posted tomorrow for you on Google Classroom. I hope that you did yesterday's notes on seasons, on the equinox and the solstice, because if you did not, this assignment today might be kind of difficult for you. All right, first thing you need to do is click on this quizzes link and go and take the quizzes review. A link for this is also posted at the very top of your Google Classroom. It's under the study things. And so if you're looking for ways to study for the upcoming Unit 3 tests, which won't be till after Thanksgiving, then that is a great place to go. But I want you to do this right now just to kind of see where you're at based off the notes that you did yesterday. All right, again, I'm going to move this. So Mr. whoever your sub is today, get this paper from them. And if you were here on Monday, then you already have this paper in that packet that was given to you. So just put this in your prongs in your folder and follow directions on the paper. See the link on the next slide. And if you're last, go back and watch my video again. So come back and watch this, okay? So this is the worksheet that you're going to be filling out, and the website is going to be on the next page. So there should be a website linked here. You need to complete the table and change the angle to 23 degrees. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, and then answer the questions at the bottom of the paper. So if you want to set a 40-minute timer for yourself, you can, but you do not have to use that. So I'm going to go to the link, possibly. It'll let me go to it. And so the link will look like this. And so I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, the link doesn't work, but it actually does. So I can either click here and yours might let it allow, or at the top of your screen, because you have a Chromebook, it looks a little different than mine. So yours is going to have a little lock up here. So you click that lock and you go to Site Settings. And once you go to Site Settings, you scroll down to where it says Flash or this little puzzle piece. If you go over and click Allow, and then you go back to the website, it then will work for you. So you need to change the angle to 23 degrees. So inclination 0 degrees. The Earth's tilt is at 23.5 degrees. So that's why we're going to change the tilt to 23 degrees. So then I'm going to go back to my worksheet and I'm going to fill in these questions. So it says here, it says, you must change the inclination angle. And the tiny URL I already gave you on the next slide, but you're going to draw the sun and the Earth's position here. So where is the sun and the Earth in relation to each other here? And you can see that on the website. And then draw the sunlight's angle. So draw, what do the arrows look like? And then what is the average daily temperature in the winter solstice? And you're going to continue this all the way through. So if I go back to that website, I can watch the Earth as it moves. And then if I look at the sunlight angle, I'll be able to draw that in the table. Also pay attention here to how high in the sky is the sun as we change seasons. The last thing is the temperature. So you don't have to write an actual number, but just is it mild temperatures? Is it cool, cold, hot, etc. Okay, so just to recap what I just did, you're going to watch the Earth and the location that it's located, change this to 23 degrees, watch the sunlight angle, record the temperature here, and then pay attention to the sun and the Earth. to see how high it is. And then we're going to come back here. So when you're absolutely finished, you can check your answers, but I do not want you to go any further if you have not finished, because you're not learning if you do that. And then you can see the answer keys here. So if you need help, you can always go there, but I do not want you to go there just to cheat. Otherwise, you're not going to learn anything. So hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later.